f of x is equal to 3x square minus 16x plus 20 and x minus 2, where x is not equal to 2. K when x is equal to 2. This is given to you. So what we do is we have to check the continuity. So limit x tending to 2, 3x square minus 16x plus 20 by x minus 2. This is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. This is equal to value the function f of 2. So what is f of 2 they gave? F of 2 they gave as k. Perfect. Now, so limit x tending to 2, 3x square minus 6x minus 10x plus 20 by x minus 2. So what we get? Limit x tending to 2, 3x common, x minus 2, minus 10 common, x minus 2, whole divided by x minus 2. So finally we get 3, limit x tending to 2, 3x minus 10. If we put 2, 3 2s are 6 minus 4 is equal to f of 2, which is equal to k. Therefore, by definition, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of function at x is equal to 2. Then we conclude that f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. In our case, x is not equal to 2, they gave the limit. So the left limit and right limit, we take the same function as they are given x is not equal to 2. But f of 2, they gave you as k. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Value the function at x equal to k. Therefore, k equal to minus 4, function becomes continuous at x is equal to